This video could be so good, or perhaps the worst thing I've ever done. Hi, my name is Jane and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing something yet a little different again. I am doing my first beauty video. Although I've done makeup reviews in the past, this is something that I will be showing a little bit of a step-by-step and very close up. So you're gonna see all my wrinkles, my gray roots that are coming in, my frizzy ass hair, but you know what? I just have to go for it, and I'm hoping that these hacks will help women at any age, although I do cater to the more mature audience. The inspiration for this video was that I was looking at modeling pictures of myself from like 12 years ago. Now I have a mirror and I know that I'm not some beauty or fashion model, but I do something called commercial print modeling, and you don't have to be gorgeous to do this type of modeling. You just have to look like the everyday person, and you can be a little older and still do this type of modeling. So I was looking back on these particular pictures and I remember that I had forgotten one of my makeup bags, because you know I carry two, and I didn't have half of my usual stuff and I had a half done face. I had to improvise with what I had. So today I'm going to give you 5 makeup hacks that you can use when you have limited products. Just a disclaimer, I have a little foundation on, a little bit of concealer, a little bit of base on my eyelids. I do have my lipstick on. You know I always have to have my lipstick and my lip gloss, because if I did not have a little bit of something on, this channel would turn into a horror channel. Hack number 1. So on this particular day, I had unruly eyebrows because it was very hot. I did have my lip gloss. I did not have my eyebrow gel or any of those clear mascaras to keep them from being unruly. So I took the lip gloss and I just dabbed it between my fingers and just went over my eyebrow like this, just dotted it. Then I took my 2 fingers and I just gently, ever so gently, squeeze them together, and there you go. They are now not unruly. And excuse this hand, I had a mosquito bite that I scratched too much. Hack number 2, I forgot my blush. So I did have my lipstick. I just took a little on my finger, like so. And this is a tip or something that these older women taught me, is that always put your finger right here so you don't go too close to, you know, where you get the marionette lines. And I just dotted, and then I just blended it in with my fingers. And I just did that, and I rubbed it in. And it's very subtle, but you know, you could go darker. Just dab it with your finger. Make sure to bring it up. And there you go. It looks like I have blush on, but it's really lipstick. I hope this is showing up. I mean, this could be the worst video ever and a total disaster, or it could be really good. And if you want to see something like this again from me, let me know in the comments below. And if you don't say anything, I'll get the message. Hack number 3. I forgot my eyeshadow. And even though I have a little base on, you always want to have like a contour. So I did have my eyebrow powder. It's the Anastasia, which comes with 2 shades. So if you have a 2 shader, go with the lighter shade. And then I just took my eyeshadow brush and dipped it in there. Then I took the brush and I go from out to in. So you know, some women start like here. I go from the outer corner because I feel like that you will get the most eyeshadow on the outer corner as opposed to the in. That's where it deposits more. So always go this way first, because you see how it did more in the end. And then I would go at the other side and just blend. And blend it. Blend, blend. You know, blending is so important. Blend, blend, blend. Even use your finger to kind of even it out because the eyebrow powder pigments are a little stronger than eyeshadows, in my opinion. So just blend it, and voila, you have contour. Hack number 4. I forgot my eyeliner. And to me, that was the worst thing because I have very big, deep set and droopy eyes, and I need eyeliner to pick up my eyes, which in turn picks up my face. But I did have my mascara. So I took a napkin, and you're probably wondering, well, you have a napkin in your bag? Well, I prefer to use napkins versus tissues because with the tissues, you get like those little white particles on your mascara wand. And yes, I always have Dunkin' Donut napkins in my purse. And sometimes I do take a little extra when I get coffee, but I drink so many of their coffees that they should be giving me napkins, so I don't feel guilty. So I took the mascara, tried to get off as much excess as possible, and then a little more with the napkin, I just dabbed it. And then I went close to my lash line and dabbed with the very corner of it, and dabbed and dabbed and dabbed. Again, if you notice, I started like this way first, towards the end. Then I just dabbed at the very base of my lashes. And like, kind of like the base of my lashes and the top lid where they meet. Give my lashes a little oomph. And there I have a little bit of a line and long lashes. Now, if you notice, I didn't go this way, and there's a reason for it. Hack number 5. Now, this is if you forget your mascara, but you did remember your eyeliner, especially a liquid eyeliner. And this is like a little hack that I use kind of on a daily basis when I don't want to put a lot of mascara on, and I just want to get to those lashes that I can't get to, or the ones that tend to droop a little more, because I don't know about you, sometimes I have lashes that don't really curl as much as the other ones. It's usually on the outer edge. But when you want to get into the inner edge, and again, you take this eyeliner and you dab it on that good old Dunkin' Donuts napkin, and you can get in there in those little corners, almost like you're putting on individual lashes. Start at the base, and if you see, you get more precision. Even on the ones I put the mascara on, sometimes I'll go over the ends just to give them a little more thickness. And then it's even good if you want to do the bottom lashes a little. I don't usually do it, but if you want to, you can go in and you get like a little bit of a better precision without it being clumpy, and you can really get in the ones in the corner of your eyes, the hard to reach to ones. You can even go back and forth like a mascara wand. And there you go. Looks like I have mascara where I have eyeliner. Now, can you see the difference of my face that was done with these hacks versus not? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next segment. If this wasn't horrible.